Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to build generational wealth through real estate. Today, I'm in Casa Grande, Arizona, and I want to show you our latest project. This is a long-term rental that we're going to completely renovate and add to our rental portfolio. Let's check it out. So we're standing inside a 1,700 square foot home built in 1963. It's originally a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but we got some really interesting plans to convert this into a 4-bedroom, 3-bath to help us really add value to this property. So let's take a look and see what we got going on in here. All right guys, so as you can see, the property has already been completely demoed, which means we got rid of all the old furniture, all the old fixtures. Everything in here has been completely torn out. As you can see, we are now in the drywall stage. So our crew was here earlier this week and they replaced all the bad drywall. We've got new ductwork installed. We pulled out the old flooring. We're gonna be putting some new flooring on. The next steps here is gonna be to texture the entire property, and then we can kind of move on to flooring. We can put some cabinets and it'll really start coming together. So we're currently in the living room, and as you can see, it's a really good size. And we opened up the floor plan here to create more of an open concept that feeds into what will be the new kitchen. The plan for this kitchen is to create an L-shaped kitchen. So as you can see, the kitchen will flow like this. Over here, we plan on having the refrigerator. We have our range and oven here. Here, as you can see, is the drain line and water lines for our sink. And right about here, we're gonna put a nice kitchen island to really tie the whole thing together. Right now, I know it's hard to kind of see the picture, but we have wonderful plans for this and it's really coming together bit by bit. So let's check out the original 3 bedrooms and 2 baths the property came with. So we walk over here, and as you can see, here we have bedroom 1 with its own closet. We have bedroom 2, also window and closet. And then we have what used to be the master bedroom. So if you come on in here and you can see, it's a good sized room. It's bigger than most room. And the biggest thing here is that it has its own bathroom. So we have a primary suite already here in this property. As you can see, drywall is up. It's a special drywall for bathrooms. It's a little bit different than the regular drywall. So that's why you notice the difference in color. When we walk in over this way, you're gonna find bathroom number 2. So here's bathroom number 2. As you can see, we've already done the rough plumbing. We got our new tub in, and we have all the rough electrical as well. So those are the main components that we want to start with, is rough plumbing, rough electrical. We move on to drywall, texture, then we can add some flooring, cabinets, and the property really starts coming together. So this wall here was kind of a half wall, and what this other side behind this wall used to be kind of like an office space. So what we did is we enclosed this entire wall here. As you can see, we framed it up, we added some drywall there. It already came with a window, and we converted this from an open office space to an enclosed bedroom. So this is bedroom number 4. And what we were able to do is we were actually able to use this additional space over here to add bathroom number 3. So these 2 updates to the property are gonna add between $60,000 to $80,000 in additional value just by adding another bedroom and another bathroom. Another one of the value adds that we're doing to this property is over here. We added an inside laundry room. In the 1960s, it did not come with a laundry room. It was kind of an outside thing. Dryers really weren't a big deal that way. People were just hanging their clothes outside. So what we did is we brought this to 2023. We put, here's where you're gonna put your washer. Here goes your dryer. You have a water heater. As you can see, it's been framed out. We're gonna be putting some nice doors here. So you're gonna have indoor laundry. This is huge in Arizona because nobody wants to hang their clothes outside. It's so hot. Nobody wants to go to a laundromat. So by having an indoor laundry, it's really gonna add value to this property, and it's gonna really increase what we're gonna be able to rent this property for. In the exterior of the property, we also needed to add some value by completely fencing in the lot. This lot had a chain link fence that was pretty much falling over. Instead of replacing it with another chain link, we made the decision to add a block wall and completely fence in the lot. It's very costly to add one of these walls, but they really last a long time. And it helped us out a little bit here that the neighbor already has a block wall, so we saved some money there. It was a tough financial decision to make, but we decided that if we're gonna be keeping this long term, we should just make the investment now so that we don't have to worry about it in the future. All right, guys, so that's gonna sum up our walkthrough of our latest long-term rental. As you can see, we still got a long way to go here, but I will keep you updated as this project progresses, and I will walk you through the next phase of this, which is gonna be getting the finishes in and tightening this one up. Thanks for watching. I hope you're able to learn something. If so, please share with a friend, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I drop daily content there at The Chris Vasquez Show. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Later.